caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the
What's up, everybody? We are out here in Charleston riding around.
Hey!
Just enjoying this beautiful day. Getting ready for our big trip up in the mountains, right?
Yeah, that's the plan.
That is the plan.
I'm gonna ride the Talon
Ride the
next
Talon.
couple days.
Yeah, so we're gonna go up the mountains, show you guys what that's all about. But today we're just showing you a few sights and sounds around Charleston. Just cruising around, enjoying this beautiful weather. So watch the video, check it out. Just remember, don't do what I do.
Have I really been so crazy to think your love was mine? Serenading to sinking moons. Oh, I've been so blind as our love was slowly turning blue. My blood grew red. No, I can't believe that thing is true. Believe that thing you said. No, I don't care where I'm going to. This town's too small. Baby, you were my burning tower. Now I'm too high to fall. 7 seasons have come and gone. of this glowing dream. Baby, don't look back to see your life drifting down the stream. See the star turn black. Morning came, darling, days will come when you're all new. Yes, this love is your song unsung, but it's still true. No, I don't care where I'm going to. This town's too small. Baby, you were my burning tower. Now I'm too high to fall. 7 seasons have come and gone, and I'm yours still. But this love is my song unsung. That's how you make me feel. No, I don't care where I'm going to. This town's too small. Baby, you were my burning tower. Now I'm too high to fall. 7 seasons have come and gone, and I'm yours still. But this love is my song unsung. That's how you made me feel. There's a place beyond the silver moon. If we drive, then we can get there soon. Close your eyes and ride with me. Ride with me, we can park out on the edge of town. Hearts so high, they coming down. Don't you wanna go